Closing the course, course review. Where there is a beginning, there is an end. And I am thankful that you made it this far, and hopefully you've learned a lot from this course. So we are going to review the entire course and talk about our journey together. We started off by looking at table calculations. Started off within there with quick table calculations and then progressed to writing our own. After which, we went through several exercises to hopefully cement your understanding of table calculations. We looked at level of detail expressions, the scoping keywords, how you can use level of detail expressions within your next Tableau dashboards. And like with table calculations, we went through a series of exercises to hopefully hammer home the use of LODs in your dashboards currently and future. We did a lot of practical work. There was me talking, there was some theory, but primarily we were doing a lot of hands-on coding, creating table calculations, creating level of detail expressions. And with all this, hopefully you've created enough table calculations and LODs and you've explored enough such that you've become, if not a master, a lot more comfortable with creating advanced calculations in Tableau. So, hope you've enjoyed this. I hope this has added value. The main thing is that the course is now yours, so you can revisit as many times as you want.